My bike check. Doom, 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 doom. On my another bike. Boom. I'm sitting in my closet. Kind of small. Packed up. Hold up a second. Wait. Have to move some stuff. Okay. This is a specialized Fuse 12. Got them 3-piece cranks. And I got the little chain guard right here. Boom. Got the plastic pedals. Boom. Boom. There go my other ugly brother. My back wheel, it's I don't know. It says something right there. And I got some fuse forks. Boom. Boom. I got a Can 3 headset. Boom. White band on the top. Boom. Black handlebars. No, you always gotta have one of these. Wait. Master lock. Some sucky grips. These things, I'm dizzy. I have to put tape right there just to make them stop moving. And the same one for the other side. No bar ends. No bar ends. See that white rim? It's crispy as hell. This shit, I got a fat tire in this front. This bitch is like a 2.20 times 2.10. I don't know. It's not super fat, it's just fat. And I got a skinny one in the back, that little Odyssey. Man, I need some brighter light. My hub. Hold up. It's kind of loud. It's today. Yeah. Specialized seat. A lot of scratches right there. Yeah. Oh, silver valve cap. And a silver one I got from my friend. It's like a bullet shell. And a KMC silver chain. And that's about it. And I'm finna repaint this bike. Finna repaint the frame. Just with some cranks, cause look at this crap. It's like all chipped paint and crap all right here on both sides. My track, I'm gonna paint it white. My bike gonna be black and white, looking sexy as hell. It's sexiest bike on the block. Nothing give me a white KMC chain. Dance comp. Yeah. Sneak peek on me.